So in the error part, we learned that you can't add an integer or any numerical values with a string. So here in the first cell, you can see I write the print I will pick you at, and then this 6. Okay, let's add something with this like PM. Yep. So you can see we added integer value with the string values by this concatenating symbol, that is a plus symbol. If you run this cell, it will show an error. We already see that. So you can't add a string with a number. To add, to add this number with these strings, you have to write this like this. It will add this, so it will concatenate successfully. But with comma statement, we don't need to write this kind of strings. We just put the comma over here and a comma over here too, and if you run this program, it will add this like this. Okay, so it will run successfully. You don't need to use this 6 as a string. Similarly, if you run this program, if you run this second cell, it will show an error because you string can only concatenate string, not an integer. So if you put a comma, then it will run successfully. Like I will pick you at 6. Remove this space over here and run it again, and you can see. So this is the benefits of this comma statement. You don't need to convert this integer value into a string.